Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is vibrating like mad and barely picking anything up, you're not alone. This issue often arises from a malfunctioning motor, which can lead to poor suction and further damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this problem may result in more extensive repairs down the line, so let's get to fixing it. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor for the Dyson SV12, a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean, and a soft cloth to protect the device's surface. First, ensure you unplug your Dyson SV12 to avoid any electrical hazards. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the panel is off, you should be able to see the motor assembly. The motor is typically located towards the center of the device and is secured with a few screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, unscrew the motor carefully. Noting the type of screws used, you may need to apply a bit of force, but be cautious not to strip them. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect any cables attached to the motor. Be mindful of other components nearby to avoid any accidental damage. Once the motor is free, take your replacement motor and connect the cables as they were on the original unit. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring it's tight but not overly so, as this could cause damage. After securing the motor, replace the back panel by aligning it and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to hold it securely. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and turn it on. Check if the vibrations have stopped and if it's picking up dirt effectively. If everything is working as it should, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to clean your vacuum regularly, checking for blockages in the hose and filters. Regular maintenance can greatly extend the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.